Big news for investors today: the stock market is officially on fire. Both the Nasdaq and S&P 500 smashed through their previous record highs, and the Dow wasn't far behind, picking up a solid 275 points. So what's driving this bullish momentum? Let's break it down. First, some trade relief is finally here. Canada just canceled its digital services tax on US tech giants after President Trump called it a blatant attack on America. That's a huge win for tech investors and a clear signal that US-Canada trade relations are back on track. Meanwhile, President Trump says he doesn't expect to extend the July 9th deadline for global trade deals. Translation: he's confident negotiations are moving and we could see multiple deals wrapped up soon. That's removing a lot of market uncertainty. Add to that the big beautiful bill. Yep, that's what they're calling it in DC. With major tax cuts and spending now inching closer to passage in the Senate. For investors, that means more fuel for growth and potentially higher corporate profits ahead. But it's not just policy moves. Continued peace in the Middle East with a fragile truce holding between Israel and Iran has eased fears of a wider conflict. That's given markets an extra boost of confidence. Now, while the major indexes are soaring, other assets like gold, oil, bonds, and even crypto have been pretty flat. So, the action is really in equities right now. Looking forward, all eyes are on this Thursday's jobs report. That data could be the swing factor for the Fed's next move on interest rates in July. So, buckle up. Between policy shifts, global peace, and fresh data on the way, this week could set the tone for the rest of the summer. Stay tuned, and as always, keep an eye on your investments.